So, as I was saying, we're here today to celebrate the Ayan Agalu Festival. Ayan Agalu was the patron deity of drumming, especially the talking drum. So we're here to celebrate the rhythm, the beats of drumming, appreciate, our ancestors who worked so hard to ensure that our culture doesn't go into extinction. We kick-started them yesterday at Obafemi Awolowo University in collaboration with the Institute of Cultural Studies, where we had a Train the Trainer drumming workshop. And we also had some rehearsals at the palace yesterday. We had the drumming procession, which took place from, we went to Atiba, we went to Idiaje, we went to Oketase to pay homage, to those representing the ancient people of old who've done so much in ensuring and preserving and promoting our culture. His Majesty, the Ooni of Ife, who is the custodian of the Yoruba cultures and traditions, is trying so hard. We have so many festivals that we do in Ile-Ife, the Ayan Agalu Festival, the Olori Festival, the Moremi Festival, the Obatala Festival. So His Majesty is trying so hard, by making sure that these festivals, we portray it in a way that, because a lot of people perceive our festivals as fetish. They are not fetish. We are just honoring, those who did great things. Our orishas to us are human beings who did exceptional things. And when we remember them, when we celebrate them, when we do festivals, it's just to honor them. We don't worship them, but we remember them and the great deeds, the exceptional things that they did when they were alive.
I'm Ooni Ademiluyi. We are doing this to revive our culture and to preserve it. About the question about the children, that is why we involve the children today. We have so many groups that they are children group. They are going to play the drum, and they are going to see their father on stage, how they handle the talking drum, how to make it talk. So, to play talking drum, all Yoruba drum, they are imitating woman's speech. So we want people to know that not only the dancing, we use this drum to send messages from one street, in fact from one room to another room, before the arrival of GSM. So all these things we are going to showcase today to let people know what we have in Yoruba land, and you need to preserve it, you need to embrace it. We very big kudos to Baba Olori for putting this one together, because it's not easy, especially this time around of Nigeria. You can see what they have spent on something like this. So to revive and to keep our culture, that's the secret behind it. That's why Baba put everything together, so we can have this day today with our children. And then we want a lot of Nigerian students, especially Yoruba children, to be involved, because drumming, the drums, they are not only for music. We use it to send messages. In fact, you can use it to make money, to help Nigeria economy. If our government involved in it and try to celebrate this Babas, they are doing it because they need government support. So that's why we are doing all these things today. We got complete to help Baba Olori. Àwọn bàbá wọn sọ wípé lẹ́yìn ìlú lókàn kò sí nǹkan tá à ń ṣe láyé tí ìlú pọ̀. So nípa ti ọrọ̀ ajé, ìlú oyin ìfọ̀ọ̀fù iṣẹ́ ọ̀nà, tẹ́ bá wo nǹkan tó ń gbé pápá, kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní owó nínú ẹ̀ tíjọba bá tẹ́wọ́ gbà. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tó ń ṣọ̀kadà káàkiri tọ́mọ́ lùlù pọ̀, ẹlòmíì ó lè ṣe, ẹlòmíì lè máa ta. A máa lo aṣọ òfì láti fi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀tì, a máa lo lẹ́dà, àwọn kan ló ń ta lẹ́dà, ọrọ̀ ajé ẹ̀ máa dọ́dọ̀ wọn. Àwọn kan ló ń gbé igi, àwọn carvers, ó máa dọ́dọ̀ àdéhùn. Tí ìlú bá ṣe ìlú 1 million lọ́dún sí, ní kálukú máa mọ tó máa dé yàrá ẹ̀. Ẹ wò bí wọ́n ṣe gbé aṣọ òkè padà ń sìn láti fi Ojúde Ọba. Àwọn tó ń ru aṣọ òfè ń sìn, wọ́n ti ń ríṣẹ́ ṣe. Ìgbà ilé ìsìn àwọn ẹni tó ń padà sí bí aṣọ òkè wa. Nígbà náà làwọn máa ṣe lọ́wọ́ pé tó bá yá ń sìn, kò ní sí ìdílé kan tá à ní jẹ́ kó ní ìlú nílé. Ẹ bá àwọn òyìnbó, ẹ lè rí òyìnbó kan tí wọn ò ní mọ instrument kan play bí i sax. One of the president ti America, sax ló máa ń play keyboardist wà nínú wọn, box guitar wà nínú wọn, kí lórí táwa náà lè nírú ẹ̀. Gbogbo wa tó bá yá gan sìn, a máa make sure pé a ti ẹlẹ́yọ kan létò ọrọ̀ ajé náà á dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn tó ń ṣèlú, àwọn tó ń tà àtàwọn tó ń lù, àwọn náà lè san tax.
Ní àfikún Sádéwáyé Láò, ní àfikún ṣe rí oríkì ìlú especially gangan òun ni awo ewúrẹ́ tó ń fọhùn bí ènìyàn. So pé ṣé ọrọ̀ ajé lè gbé pẹ́ẹ́lí tí ìjọba bá fi ọwọ́ sí tán bá wa dá sí nǹkan tí bàbá wa àti olórí wa Ronke Ademiluyi Ogunwusi tí wọ́n ń ṣe yìí. Ṣé rí iṣẹ́ tí a tún lè fi ìlú gángan ṣe? Tó o bá lọ sílé ènìyàn ò ní ìdá tí fọwọ́ kanlẹ̀kùn. Tó bá gbé ìlú gángan sí ẹnu ọ̀nà ẹ̀, wàá mú kọ̀ǹgọ́, wàá lu ìlú gángan yẹn. So Nigeria with a population of about 200 million people, ká tiẹ̀ gbà pé 50 million or 75 million houses ló wà ní Nàìjíríà, tí everybody dẹ̀ ní ìlú gángan lẹ́nu ọ̀nà ẹ̀ láti fi kanlẹ̀kùn. So just ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe sensitivity analysis ẹ̀, àwọn ọmọ wa ríṣẹ́ ṣe, àwọn tó ń ṣèlú adolówó, wọn adọlọ́rọ̀, àwọn tó ń ta páàtì ẹ̀, àwọn tó ń lù. So iṣẹ́ ó pọ̀, is a bottomless pyramid. So ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé òṣùbà sàdánkátà fún bàbá wa àti ìyá wa. This is the 3rd edition. Lágbára Ọlọ́run kò dẹ̀ ní sọ, Ọlọ́run àtúbọ̀ máa fún wa, bá wa fún wọn lágbára àti owó àti àrísìkí láti máa fi ṣe lọ́dọọdún. Kíjọba wa kan bá wa dá sí, kí UNESCO bá wa dá sí, kí UNICEF kan bá wa dá sí.